Go poop. Oh, great. Here we go again. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Ah!
Drop your ear. Don't chew on it. Don't chew on your ear. No. You don't want me to take it away? Can I have your ear?
Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up.
Who is that fine babe?
What? What is your name? Tony! You, Tony! What's your name? Ezekiel! You, Ezekiel!
That's just a stupid boulder!
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
Oh, man. I am so tired from CrossFit this morning.
It's pronounced croissants, and you ate 4 of them.
I know I missed you. Hi. Hi.
So my dog knows a couple of phrases, and some of them crack me up. This is my favorite. So I guess we're just gonna have to brush your teeth. Do you want to brush your teeth?
Okay, I know I'm cute, but stop smothering me. You're so annoying with your smothering. I know I'm irresistible, but okay, see? Now you cross my smothering line.
I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Here's a riddle for you. What has ears but doesn't listen? My dog.
Somebody say something I don't like, slap. Or somebody look at me a way I don't like, slap. Somebody breathe too hard around me, slap, slap.
When you say no to a spoiled dachshund.
Alright, new challenge. Put your hand near your dog like you're going to pet them, but don't pet them yet and see what they do.
Excuse me, it's been about 5 minutes since I've last gotten attention. I would like some more.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who
You think I'm cute?
Заняться ими – дело боняцин. Порошок подсушивает и способствует лечению. Когда раны на теле, боняцин в деле.
Charlie, I think Daddy's home.
Do da 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 do.
Do you have a little pity? Is she really, really pretty? Does she lick you on the face and give you no personal space? Does she look you in the eye when you leave like mama? Why do you have a little...
Not do it again.
Good afternoon, everyone. The show goes on here. Manchester City is Monday,
Ladies, please stop asking Santa for the perfect man. This is the third time this week he's tried to kidnap me.
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.
Why?
Oh, look at the little baby.
Whoa! Damn! I don't know what the hell you feeding him, but he is too damn big!
No, bruh, come on. Drag up the stairs.
So glad I got that okay.
Use your eyes. Come on. Embarrassing me.
So glad I got that okay. Beautiful time.
Is that your baby, Jane? Is that your baby? You trying to pet her? Say, oh, it's okay. Say, it's okay, little cat. It's just a bath. It's okay. I love you. Yeah.
Okay, I see a dream vision. This kid's about to die. He don't know. I fucking reach down there myself, right? And give him a little shove in the hand. Get out of the way, buddy. Next thing you know, I realize.
Get him.
Come here. Come here, Juby. Let me see. Stop, don't.
What are you doing, creeper? What are you doing?
You got it. Get the board. Oh, they got it. Oh, hold it. Got it. Got it. Got it. outing at the Strathmore. One I'm gonna have.
New trend, give your hand to your dog and see the reaction.
Just a baby.
But you still had to say, okay, Mom.
I just a baby.
Cool cat. Shade. Pale look. Look. Cool cat. Shade. Pale look. Cool cat. Shades. Height. Stretch. Height. Drapka. Stretch. That's good. Yes. Oh, yeah.
I don't mean to be biased, but your Vanderbilt's got a pretty good program.
Where are you right now?
I'm headed north on the 59. You?
Heading south on the 65.
Just two ships passing in the night.
Unless they want to stop for coffee somewhere.
And maybe grab a waffle.
You like waffles?
Oh yeah, I particularly like the ones just off exit 47 near Tuscaloosa, which we both should be reaching.
Be nice, Sasha.